outside of my town. Here's a train. There's a tunnel. There's Southern Pacific Daylight coaches. Here's the big boy, the Amtrak diesel, Metro. Oh. Anyway, there's a whatever this is from Hello Dolly. There are some other steam locomotives that were mainly for I don't know, I forgot. Yeah. Oh, paramedics.
We're going to the different aisle.
Get all this. Okay. Oh god.
Oh, it's a Southern Pacific.
Help me, I'm a runaway! Ah!
GB, you missed it. Look.
Oh god. That is perfect.
Watch where you're walking. Don't walk off the step there.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I know.
Actually,
I think these are DCC. I think this is DCC or I think it's HO. HO scale. Oh look, a steam engine. Operational steam engine is good.
It's like a big boy.
That's not a big boy. That's a child. I don't know what that one is. Marty. I'm it.
Where's the green one?
I'm it.
Where's the green one?
Marty, where are we?
Over there, GB.
I don't know where are we, Marty. I don't know where we are, Doc. I think we're in a model railroad. I think we're in a model train place or sort. Hey, look, Southern Pacific Daylight. And I feel like myself in plastic. Oh god. Oh no. Looks like we come back from the locomotive that was in a runaway.
There's a dot.
Hey, a minute.
This side there's a Port of San Diego. Look,
Hello, I'm Theodore, and I'm
look at
going...
there's a whale tail.
Orcas.
Uh-huh.
Anyway. So what is this, a caboose? It's a caboose. Anyway. I'm bigger. Hello, I'm bigger than you. Wait a minute, what? Well, get back here. Carnival.
Look, it's the fair. It's the fair.
There they go. There they go.
Alright, so, yeah. I think this is...
Alright, where we are. Where are we? Oh,
This is a rail yard.
welcome to a rail yard. And, or also known as a yard, just whatever. Look at that. Oh no! Ah! Oh, I thought I was gonna crash. Right. Where are the hobos?
Under the train, under the bridge. GB!
Lord, what are we supposed to do now?
Jigs!
Oh, hello! Oh no, help me, I'm running away! What is he saying? I think, driver, what is he saying? I don't know. I don't know what is he saying. I think he said he's a runaway.
I just
Oh.
saw that.
Welcome to the amazing, shut up.
See, it's 844.
Oh,
That's a big boy. Told you.
next stop, Midway Station. Next stop,
Southern
Midway.
Pacific.
next stop,
It
Midway.
looks like the cabooses we were riding in, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
look at that. Whoa. What's that? Wait, what's this area?
Train sounds. Make push the button.
Ooh. Push it. I wonder what kind of scale is this? Z scale?
Let me get the little water.
Water wheel. Okay. There's a... Oh yeah, and also my teacher went to Japan. Here's other stuff.
Oh, there's one.
What is this? Anyways, this looks like some kind of room. Oh my goodness, I wish I was O scale. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, what's this? A Lincoln pin?
Santa Fe.
The answer is to peek at Santa Fe. Oh, hold on. Oh shoot. The The USS isn't gonna say anything? Anyways. Whoa. Wow. Moo. Hello, Mr. G Scale. Hello, Mr. G Scale locomotive. I'm also G. I'm also J scale. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, there, I can see the comparisons. Okay.
That cloud is looking kind of scary.
Where's the cloud?
It's kind of scary.
Anyway.
It looks like the creepy clowns.
Where is he?
Oh my gosh, let's go.
Wait a minute. What's that? Welcome to the train show.
Jimmy,
Hold on, let me take a hold on. Alright, here we are.
it's a lot of girls. Over here,
What?
change the station.
Oh god, switch the track! Switch the track!
Switch the track.
Ah! Just run away! The runaway! Just switch it! 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 Ah! Switch! Stupid switchman! Chugging sounds, chugging sounds, chugging sounds, chugging sounds, chugging sounds. Where did he went?
I can see the bridge here.
Whoa! Into the big rock candy. The canyon. Whoa, it's a Mars light. Do you also know this was also used in a fire truck?
It's hot. It's a hot one.
I know. Oh, look at that. Oh, that scared me.
Oh, look, there's a video there.
What is this?
It's a video.
I know. It's copyrighted.
Oh, it's a thing. That's all right.
Look at that.
San Diego and Arizona Eastern.
Look at the bridge. It's a big trestle bridge.